So I was already planning on filming this video on this particular day. It's Thursday, by the way. It is National Hair Day. I told you I'm a witch, and not only am I a witch, I'm a psychic witch. Hello, my name is Pauline. I'm trying to get better about doing video intros. That's all you're gonna get from me. So, what is today's video? I have naturally curly hair, as you can see. I am of Maltese descent, not the dog. Don't even put that, it's not funny. Malta is a gorgeous island in the Mediterranean. So you may have remembered, if you saw the video back in June, I chopped my own hair off. I cut my own hair. Am I tempted to cut my hair again? Yeah. Is it probably gonna happen? Yeah. But that's not what this video is. Always this time of year, my hair does not know what it wants to do anymore. If you have curly hair like me, styling it can be kind of intimidating. Like, you find one way that you're gonna do your hair and you just leave it at that. And I'm very guilty of that. So we're gonna be trying new hairstyles that are hopefully quick and easy, not intimidating, to just deal with my hair. So because it's not hot and humid like it usually is in the summer, my curls are they're just, I don't know what they're doing. And you know what? They don't know what they're doing. I have a few hair tutorials that I want to try. I'll try to remember to link them in the box thingy down below. According to Brand Mondo, I have B3 hair. Definitely not waves. They're even curly. This is day 2, by the way. I haven't washed my hair. I know I'm disgusting. But they curl around. Just right now they're kind of limp because slept on them, thrown them in a bun when I taught my workout class and had them in a ponytail, and also flipped my hair around for some pictures. But yeah, normally my hair I would say is like around a B3. It's a pretty tight spiral curl, but my hair is really soft. The reason I usually don't style my hair is because you see, like, when you start to mess with it, it starts to turn into just fuzz. At the end, when we are all done messing with my hair, I'm gonna brush my hair. Now, you might be thinking, if you have straight hair, that brushing hair is like not a big deal. You cannot brush curly hair when it is dry. It just turns into a pom-pom. I will literally look like a troll doll if I brush my hair. And we're gonna have fun with that. Embrace the fuzz. It's spooky season. Maybe I'll just do that with my hair every day. So, the first tutorial, the half up, half down, but with a bun. Oh, I really need to wash my hair. It feels nasty. Oh, it's so greasy at the back. This is one of my favorite, like, if I'm like going out type hairstyles. I will take that much, basically put it right on the tippy top of my head, wrap it around. I will usually just bobby pin that down center, but you can tell, like, when this is like flat like this, it just doesn't work as well. It looks horrible. Of course, I would have a bad hair day on National Hair Day. We're gonna try to follow a tutorial from Dana Gelati. She has a pretty Italian last name. Her hair is quite similar, which would make sense. Italy is just above Malta. So I don't know if my hair is long enough for this, but it's for a faux fringe. It doesn't work. This is why I don't try to style my hair. Like, this doesn't work. I just look like Bam Bam from the Flintstones. Okay, so obviously the faux fringe doesn't work. I think it's because my hair is just kind of too short right now. So my only answer to that is to go shorter and give myself bangs. Also, can we talk about how my hair has grown like a solid 2 inches in 3 months? And then I found this other tutorial. I think French twists are the most beautiful hairdo in the whole world. When I went to prom, I went with friends, I wanted an updo so bad, and I wanted a French twist style updo. And it was so pretty, and I loved it so much. So I have some bobby pins, I have I don't know what kind of comb this is because I am uncultured. And we're gonna try to follow Alex Gabori. I can't pronounce names. Okay, so she left some hair pieces out, but like all I have are these little baby hairs. Now I'm just doing what I always do when I go to do an updo, and I just grab hair and grab one of these open bobby pins, and I just keep pinning them in till my hair is up, and it looks awful. So, but I would say the French twist does not work with short hair. Like, it's falling out. There's nothing maybe if my hair was longer, I could do this, but it does not work with short curly hair. Now we're on to the most difficult 3-minute Dutch braid. Dutch braids, I find them very intimidating. Today we're gonna try it because we just don't care. We're at home. Okay, we're starting with a side part. Okay, I'm starting over again. I thought I was doing it, but clearly I am not. Is it supposed to be a braid? Because that does not look cute. Ugh. I'm gonna try the Dutch braid one more time. I think it might actually be manageable and I might be able to kind of get it. I'm gonna part my hair better this time. We're gonna put a little more effort into this. I guess I forgot a bobby pin in there. Okay, would you look at that? Can you see that? Like, that is very much clearly a Dutch braid. My angle could have gotten more downwards, but like this would be a cute, just clipping it into the ponytail, like cute. I just realized that I just basically ended up making another ponytail. This entire video, I'm trying to learn different hairstyles and I just ended up making another ponytail, but this time it has a braid that frustrates me in it. We're gonna get on to the grand finale of this video, what we're all been waiting for me to brush my hair. And I'm not just gonna brush my hair, I'm gonna brush my hair upside down. So let's remove this ponytail of frustration, get rid of this Flying Dutchman braid that haunts me. It's all brushed out. It feels so greasy, so it's not as fluffy as if I were to brush it out immediately after washing it. But this is why you don't brush curly hair dry. Like, it's just fuzz. I look like Animal from the Muppets. Do you see this? Or is this the look? Is this the look I should go for? I should just brush my hair out and not wash it and just leave it greasy? What is that? Oh no, this video is cursed now. I swear my hair used to be curlier, like just a couple years ago, not that long ago. Like more ringlety, and I feel like it's, I don't know, it's just gotten weird lately. Maybe a bowl cut is the look for me, like, I look like a mushroom. I think I should end the video here because it's just turning into more chaos as I go. Happy belated National Hair Day. I try to do some hairstyles with my greasy second day hair because let's be honest, that's the realistic time in which we all try to style our hair. And we just end up with hair like this where it's like flat from all the grease and fluff everywhere else. Yeah, like this video if you too struggle with styling your hair in anything other than down, a bun, or a ponytail, and maybe pigtails if you're feeling wild and crazy. And subscribe if you want to see more videos of me doing random things that make me laugh, that I hope make you laugh. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Sad. Of course I have a good hair day the day after. It's so soft, it's so curly. The joke's on me. Look at that little wavy curl. Look how unique she is. My friend who's also Maltese like me was also having a not so decent hair day, and we commiserated a little bit together because it is what it is. Oh my gosh, a deer just ran through my yard. Look at her go.